Think you've mastered the art of driving? Think again. There's a whole hidden world of car secrets you probably never even knew existed. From mind-blowing features to pro-level tricks that will totally change how you drive. This is insider knowledge that seasoned experts don't want you to know. We're about to drop 12 car secrets that won't be found in your manual, but could save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Miss these, and you might be unknowingly sacrificing performance, safety, and convenience. By the end of this video, you'll look at your car and the road completely differently. Stick around because the tips are about to get even better. Secret number 1. Starting your car with a dead remote. Most modern car remotes are more advanced than ever, featuring 2 RFID systems, active and passive. The active RFID is the one you use daily. It relies on a battery to lock-unlock doors or open the trunk. Some remotes even work from over 100 feet away. But here's the kicker. If your remote's battery dies, your car isn't completely useless. That's when the passive RFID system kicks in. The passive system doesn't need a battery. Instead, it draws power from the car's reader, typically inside the start button. To use it, just hold the remote close to the button, about an inch away, and you can start your car, even with a dead battery in your remote. Knowing this trick can save you a lot of stress, but you might not realize it until you've worked with cars for a while. So if your remote battery dies, don't worry. Secret number 2. Adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control has completely transformed highway driving. Unlike traditional cruise control, which simply keeps your car at a set speed, adaptive cruise control takes it to the next level. It uses sensors to scan the road ahead and adjust your speed based on traffic. Here's how it works. You set your desired speed using the controls on the steering wheel, and the system holds that speed. But if it detects a slower vehicle in front of you, your car automatically slows down to maintain a safe distance. Once the road clears, it accelerates back to your preset speed, all without you lifting a finger. What's even better, many systems handle stop-and-go traffic like a pro. If traffic slows to a crawl, adaptive cruise control reduces your speed and can even stop your car if needed. Then, when traffic picks up, it resumes automatically. This genius feature takes the stress out of long drives, making them safer, smoother, and way more relaxing. It's cruise control, but smarter. Secret number 3. The gas tank locator. There's a simple, foolproof way to find your car's gas tank. No more guessing. We've all been there. You pull up to a gas station in a rental or unfamiliar car, unsure which side the gas cap is on. It's awkward, backing up to switch lanes or dealing with a hose that's too short. But don't stress. Your car has a quick and easy solution. Check the fuel gauge on your dashboard. Next to the gas pump icon, you'll spot a small arrow or triangle. That arrow is your secret weapon, pointing directly to the side where the gas cap is hiding. It's a tiny detail most people overlook, but it can save you time and a whole lot of frustration at the pump. Almost every modern car has this simple indicator, so next time you pull up to refuel, take a quick peek at your dashboard to avoid those embarrassing moments. Secret number 4. The morning gas hack. Filling up your gas tank in the morning might sound like an old wives' tale, but there's some truth to it. Just like any liquid, gasoline expands when it's exposed to heat. During the cooler hours of the morning, fuel is denser, with its molecules tightly packed together. This means you get just a little bit more fuel for the same price compared to refueling in the heat of the day. Gas stations store their fuel in underground tanks, which helps keep it cool. But as the day heats up, even slight temperature changes can cause the gas to expand. When it's warmer, you could end up paying for fuel that takes up more space but gives you less energy. While the difference isn't huge, it can add up over time, especially if you have a big tank or drive frequently. Experienced drivers know this subtle hack and use it to get the most out of every fill-up. So, if you can, try to refuel during the cooler hours of the morning or late evening. Secret number 5. Tire pressure monitoring system. Tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS, are absolute lifesavers. Made mandatory in 2007 after several crashes were linked to underinflated tires, this safety feature is now standard in almost every passenger vehicle. The system alerts you when a tire loses pressure, and you'll see a warning light on your dashboard, often shaped like a tire with an exclamation mark. When that light comes on, it's time to check your tires. Some systems even show the exact tire pressure right on the dashboard, so you'll know which one needs attention. Older systems, however, still require manual checks. Proper tire pressure not only boosts your safety, but also saves you money at the pump. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, forcing your car to work harder and burn more fuel. So, low tire pressure doesn't just put you at risk, it can drain your wallet too. Secret number 6, the check engine light. The check engine light can be terrifying, but did you know some problems are super easy to fix yourself? When your car's computer detects an issue, it triggers the light to alert you. One of the most common and easily fixable reasons is a loose gas cap. Before you panic, check if the cap is securely tightened and in good condition. This simple fix could save you a trip to the mechanic. But don't ignore the light completely. It can also point to more serious issues like a faulty spark plug, ignition coil, or oxygen sensor. Sometimes it's the catalytic converter, a damaged mass airflow sensor, or even a bad tank of gas. If your car is still driving fine, start with the gas cap. If the light stays on and the car feels off, head to a mechanic. Keep an ear out for strange sounds, jerking, or loss of power. For a foolproof approach, read the car's diagnostic code. If you're handy, use an OBD2 scanner at home or let a professional handle it at the service station. Secret number 7, adjustable headrest. Most drivers don't give much thought to headrests, but they're way more than just a place to rest your head. Adjustable headrests are crucial for your safety. When set correctly, they protect your neck and spine during a rear-end collision, significantly reducing the risk of whiplash. Shockingly, many people don't realize their headrests can be adjusted. The top of the headrest should align with the top of your head for the best protection. Here's something even fewer drivers know. Headrests can actually be life-saving in an emergency. If you're ever stuck in your car and need to break a window, your headrest can help. Most headrests can be removed and the metal rods can shatter a side window, giving you a quick escape when every second counts. This hidden feature can make all the difference in a critical moment. So, take a moment to adjust your headrest for safety and know how to remove it if you ever need it in an emergency. It's a small detail that could save your life, whether you're on the road or in a dangerous situation. Secret number 8, seatbelt safety features. One of the smartest decisions every driver and passenger can make is to buckle up. We all know seatbelts save lives, but did you know they're packed with advanced safety features? These hidden innovations are designed to provide maximum protection during a crash. Take energy management loops, for example. They absorb impact forces to reduce injuries. Then there's the seatbelt stopper, which keeps the buckle from sliding, making it easier to grab in an emergency. Some features are all about precision. Pretensioners tighten the belt to remove slack, ensuring you're in the perfect position for the airbag. Force limiters go even further by easing the pressure on your chest during a crash. For rear passengers, inflatable safety belts add extra protection, reducing the force of impact. And let's not forget adjustable upper anchors. They position the belt safely across your chest, not your neck. Finally, the inertial locking mechanism keeps the belt firmly in place during sudden stops. These features work in unison to keep you safe, so the next time you buckle up, remember it's not just a strap, it's a life-saving device. Secret number 9. Side mirror defrosters. On those cold mornings, side mirrors can quickly fog up or freeze, making it harder to see. That's where the defroster function comes in. To activate it, check your side mirror adjustment switch. Instead of turning it to L or R for mirror adjustments, simply rotate it all the way down. This kicks on the defrosters, which heat the mirrors to clear off frost, fog, or condensation. It's a simple feature that's a game changer in winter and rainy weather, keeping your mirrors dry and your visibility crystal clear. Surprisingly, this little trick often gets overlooked, even by seasoned drivers. Knowing how to use it can make a huge difference when weather conditions get tough. No more wiping down your mirrors by hand or waiting forever for them to clear. Just flip the switch and let the defrosters handle the rest. Secret number 10. Road condition indicators. Modern cars are getting smarter, not just in performance, but in keeping you safe. One feature that experienced drivers swear by is the road condition indicator. These warnings go far beyond the usual engine lights or door ajar alerts. They're designed to keep you aware of hazardous driving conditions like fog, heavy rain, or most importantly, icy roads. Ice is a hidden killer. It doesn't matter if you're driving slowly. Icy roads can make it nearly impossible to control your car. To combat this, many cars now come with a snowflake warning light on the dashboard. This light turns on when the outside temperature is low enough to freeze the roads. A temperature sensor near the front bumper tracks the cold, sending accurate readings to the car's computer. When it detects freezing air, the system activates the warning. These alerts are simple but powerful. They remind you to stay alert and drive cautiously. If you see that snowflake light, take it seriously. It's a small feature, but it's a lifesaver, especially during winter. Secret number 11. Motion parallax. Ever notice how objects outside your car seem to move differently as you drive? This mind-bending phenomenon is called motion parallax, and it explains everything. When you're driving, objects close to you, like trees or poles, appear to zoom by in the opposite direction. That's because their viewing angle changes rapidly as you move forward, but distant objects like mountains barely seem to move at all. Their angle hardly changes, so they look almost still. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Have you ever felt like the moon is following you as you drive? It's not your imagination. The moon is so far away that its angle doesn't change at all as you move down the road, which is why it feels like it's traveling right along with you. The same thing happens with the sun. Its distance makes it appear constant, no matter how fast or far you go. So why does motion parallax matter? When you're driving, it helps you gauge distances and speeds. Next time you're on the road, pay attention to how the world moves around you. This optical trick makes driving feel like a truly dynamic experience. Secret number 12. Stability control. Losing control of your car is one of the most terrifying experiences on the road. Luckily, all cars sold in the US since 2012 come with electronic stability control, ESC. Here's how it works. The system constantly monitors all four wheels. If it senses your car starting to slide, it kicks in by applying the brakes to specific wheels. ESC helps regain traction and corrects the skid. It's like having an invisible hand steering your car back to safety. In certain situations, you might need to turn it off temporarily. Just look for the ESC button or a symbol of a sliding car. This can be useful when you're stuck in mud or snow, or if you're pulling a boat up a slippery ramp. But for everyday driving, it's best to leave ESC on for maximum safety. The road is full of secrets, and now you're in on them. Drive smarter, safer, and like a true pro. Protect your car and your wallet. Hit that subscribe button for more game-changing tips, and we'll see you on the road.